Hi. So, what are the setbacks that accounting firms encounter with LSA? The first one is that you're still seen only on a rotational basis, like PPC. So, you may not be seen as much as some others for various reasons, who could be stealing your leads, and therefore you may not get as many calls. Sadly, there are many businesses who set up their LSAs with inexperienced ad agencies and are not getting any calls. The second one is that you still pay for the ads, but not as much as with some other ways like PPC or SEO, and you're getting it at a reduced rate, and the ROI increases substantially because you're getting now calls and not just views or clicks. Third, not all who apply are approved by Google to be shown. And fourth, not all who are approved are shown. Out of 4, 1 may be shown. So they may approve 100 but show only 25 on a rotational basis. And you can get anywhere from 10 to 30% of calls that are inappropriate, and you're still paying for them. So now comes the good news. If you've never participated in LSAs, or worse still, if you did and you didn't get any calls, this is where you might want to listen up. Now, along with our partners, we've helped hundreds of businesses successfully so far to get approved by Google. Our approval rates are at 98.8%. So problem 1 is solved. We use proprietary methods to make sure that our clients have all the calls that they could possibly wish for by showing them on page 1 much more consistently than the others are being seen, because just like you, we are very good at what we do. This solves the disappointment of being Google approved but not getting any calls, as many firms have experienced. Then for non-medical specialties, we also monitor the calls to see which ones are appropriate and which ones you should be paying for and where you should get your money back. This allows you to use that extra refund, like play money, where you can spend it on some other form of reaching out to your target audience, like our secret weapon, for example, where you will be hogging the whole first page of Google and show up like 12 times more than through any other means. If this sounds like a good deal to you, you may want to talk with me before the 2 slots are taken up. And let's go over your specific situation, as there are limitations and consequences to waiting, and why you must act now, and why do you need to decide quickly. So here are the issues of not taking action soon. There are only 2 or 3 slots available per location. They could get filled up, and then you get left out. The approval process takes time, and while waiting, you're missing out on all those leads that could add so much to your bottom line. Over time, we are reaching out to other tax accounting firms, and we'd hate to see you lose out. So let's recap. This is a great advantage to you because Google is recommending you. This green check mark builds confidence and trust, and you get better conversions. You see it right on top of the page, above even the sponsored ads in SEO, and even maps actually. All the reasons why you must take advantage of it before there are any algorithm changes, which, as you know, happen often, as much as 300 times a year. Later we'll share with you what we include for you, how you can have a consistent flow of leads and appointments with our secret weapon, where you have more real estate on the first page of both Google and Bing. Like many of our clients who occupy the whole entire page, making it hard for someone to knock them off their lucrative position. Some law clients of ours actually bought up 30 locations because they saw the value and totally decimated their competition. And next, we also include for you how you can automate the follow through and nurturing these customers and clients so you get better conversions and better ROI. Now remember Marcia I told you about? She decided to use her refunds towards these additional services, which automate her lead nurture and her page 1 positioning, so she can never get knocked off her base. Hey, thank you so much for participating. I'm eager to hear from you what you think about this and what questions you have, and any feedback you can give me would be much appreciated. Thank you so much.